Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I share planning and organizational videos plus so much more. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new toy, which is going to be my bestie when it comes to planning inside of my bullet journal, and that is the HP Sprocket. I know I'm not the only one that sees products, whether it's on Instagram in an ad or in a TikTok video or what have you, and you keep adding it to your Amazon cart only to take it out to add it back. I finally bought this mini printer and I've been meaning to buy one of these for quite some time. The other one that I was looking at is the Canon Ivy, but I decided to go ahead and get the HP Sprocket. This one was on sale as well. It was under $100. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I printed out. I am going to print something in this video, but let's go ahead and get right into it. So here's the packaging that it came in, and this actually shipped overnight. I ordered this as well as some of the backup paper. So it already came with 10 sheets. So here's the box that it came in. You know, open it up. Inside it came in this little like cradle here. So here is the 2x3 HP Sprocket. If I'm not mistaken, they do have a 4x6 one, but I was fine with this. I don't need the pictures to be extremely large inside of my memory planner. My memory planner, my bullet journal, whatever you want to call it. So came with instructions, came with this cord. So you do have to charge it up when you get it. And then it came with these 2x3, 10 of the 2x3 sticky backed photo sheets. Now, I will admit that I had taped these with double side tape because I didn't read the instructions, and I'm like, oh, this is like photo paper. But it is sticky back. So just to show you guys what I did, I journaled for the Super Bowl. So this page was all about the game, and then this page was all about Rihanna. And these photos right here are from the HP Sprocket. The other ones are from my Canon laser printer, but these are from the Sprocket, and this one here is also from the Sprocket. So love how it came out, and let's go ahead and take a closer look at how we do this. All right, so first things first is to download the Sprocket app from your app store. Then it's going to tell you to select more photos. I select the 2 photos that I want. And then over here in the corner, there's a select button. You take those 2 and you put it into collage. I don't want them side by side. I want them like that. And then there you have it. So I did rotate this photo before I put it into the app because I wanted to be able to use 2 here. And having it the long way, like vertically instead of horizontally, just wasn't working out. So I went back into the camera app and rotated it. And the cool thing about this, I'm being completely transparent as I'm doing this with y'all. The cool thing about this is that you are able to use it even while it's charging, which is very convenient. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this baby up. There we go. Let's charge it up. So yeah, this thing has not charged. I have not really charged it since I, purchased it. There we go. There we go. The green light. We're good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete that real quick. Go back over here. Select 1, 2, collage, and now it's ready to print. And you can see that it's blinking. It's about to do its thing. It's about to do its magic. I'm so excited. Let's go. Low battery, I know, but here it comes. All right, give it a second. It's gonna come out so nice. And because this is a thermal printer, you don't have to like recoup the ink on this. It's good to go. Oh, I love this. To think I only have 20 sheets per package. Look at that. Love it. Now, I'm gonna bring my bullet journal over, and I wanted to put the Rihanna Fenty package on this page, so we're just gonna, come on, there we go. I do have a tool that will make this kind of easier, so I'm just gonna put that down here in the corner. But the tool that I'm talking about is this slice tool. This is also in my Amazon storefront, but it just makes for cutting photos easier. So I'm literally just making a little slice down the back, and then I'm able to do that with no problem. You can also just cut like a little corner, that works too. So I'm just gonna put this down here in the corner, because that's what my Saturday night will be. So yay! What do you guys think of the HP Sprocket? Do you think it was worth it? I like it. I like it a lot. But you guys let me know what you think. I think it's a great asset if you are someone that likes to memory plan a lot and you have a lot of photos. And I love this size. As you can see, it doesn't take up a whole bunch of space. It's fairly small by itself. Like, the sheet is small, but here's the size of the sheet, the 2x3. It's small, but then it gets even smaller when you cut that in half, whether it's vertical or horizontal, however you're doing it. But I really, really like it, and it's really gonna help me save money on ink. I love printing things out. I mean, look at this spread. Like, it's one of my favorite journaling places in my planner so far. By far, in this one. So I love it. I'll have it linked in the description box, a direct link. And again, check out my Amazon storefront for so much more. I'll also go ahead and directly link this slice tool as well. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, be sure to check out all the links in the description box. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Are you someone that does memory planning? Do you take like clippings from magazines or from your day out, like a old, like if you went to a restaurant or like a store and put like a receipt or something in there? It's kind of like junk journaling in a sense. Do you guys do any type of memory planning like that? Do you have a mini printer? I would love to chat with you and continue the conversation in the comments. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Would love to have you join the community. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and give this video a like if you want to see more videos like these. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.